Welcome back everybody to Fire and Lemon. In today's video I'm going to tackle this window, and yes, I have still stuff to do. I want to finish off the door handles and the toe kicks and get to some of this, so stick around. So in last week's video, we did get to quite a few of these items. There's still a lot left though, so we'll get to them. But we did run out of screws, so I managed to get screws for the door handles, and I ran out of clips for the toe kicks, and I managed to get them too. So let's get all that done. I also did a little trial thing here. The funny thing about this windowsill is there's this angle, this step down, so I have to match that and make this kind of look like a flat surface. So I made a trial. So I bought some real wood that I'll replicate this similar, and let's get that done. Okay, well, coffee's done, excuses are done, let's get her done. Okay, our first step is to measure up our drawer face, and we want to find the center lines. So I know this is 16 3/8, so we've got our length 16 3/8, and our width here is just under 6. So let's just take a 6. So that means, okay, so I want to find the center line this way and the center line this way. So with 16 3/8 across, we find our midpoint here at 8 3/16, and our midpoint here just under 3 inches. So we adjust our jig. And I tell you, I can't imagine doing this job without this jig. This has been amazing. So what we have here, I'll explain it quickly. You set these two drill bit bushings to the size of your handle, and you center it to this line here. So you go from here out and here out, and you see the marks accordingly, which is perfect. You set your handles. Then you're up and down and over sideways. So in this case, we want this horizontal to be at 8 3/16. So way down here. So 8, and there's a little mark on here showing you where. So sorry, I need to see. There we go. 8 3/16 there. And then this one needs to be moved to 3 from this horizontal, and I'm going to go 1/16 below 3. Okay, we're all set. Let's drill some holes of the drawers with the same dimension. Remember that, Jeff. see, these won't go all the way through. So, I had to buy some. The kind where you can clip off a tip. Make it shorter if you want. And that's what I did. There you go. Okay, down to the last few pieces. I saved you guys all the trouble of watching me do all the cutting, but I put my clips on, I measured. I also had to do a little bit of a jimmy rig here, but that's okay to fit along here. So, let's put this in. First this piece. And this piece. One more piece. Alright. Dull toe tips. Done. Count handles. Oh, so close. I'm short 4 handles. Otherwise, I'm almost all done. I'll circle it so I feel better. Now I cut it to size. I just need to cut some dimensions in so that it slides in. So, not sure if you can see the detail, but it goes straight back and then it comes out and then it goes up on an angle. And this goes flat and then up on an angle. So my first thing is, my up on an angle is done. Now I'll just get the other ones. So. Now, we just need to glue our pieces on. First, I gotta bring up my center line. go. Okay, I've got the clamps off. The glue is in, nice and solid, flush, looks nice. Let's see if it fits. Not bad. Binding over here. I think it's just too long. You can cut a little bit off there. That's better. Boards worked a bit, but I can get rid of that when I install it. Looks good. Okay. Just need to clean this up with old glue, and want to clean up the corners here, and then we're good. Well, wouldn't you know it? Of course, the 3 pieces of trim I had dedicated for this job are actually 3 different pieces. That's probably why I have them left over, because they're not the same. So I can't even use them. I didn't even notice until I got them cut and ready to go. And that's when I saw it. So, I can't check off my cabinet handles because I ran out. I got my trim, or my toe kicks done. Let's see. But I didn't finish, where is it? Window trim and shelf. So I didn't finish this either. But I did get the shelf done. So let me show you what it looks like. Looks nice, I think. So, you remember, it kind of took away this little divot here, so now it's flat. Now I still have work to do, but what do you guys think? Not bad. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to wait till next week to finish off some more of these things. Some of these I might get to during the week, like wipe down the interiors. But we gotta get into this kitchen, guys. It's time. Time? Oh, it's time, all right. It's beer o'clock. Time for a beer, guys. That'll wrap this video up. Listen, I want to thank you guys for watching our videos. It means a lot to us. So I'm going to enjoy my beer and the rest of this sunny afternoon. You guys will see you next week. Thanks again.